Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Guide Forever, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide games from your Steam profile, that is from your friends or anyone else that you would like to hide the games from. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you how it looks when you see the game as a guest, so some random user. I'm going to right click and copy page URL, then I'm just going to paste into the browser, and as you can see I'm currently not logged in, so I'm just a random user scrolling my own profile, and as you can see my profile is currently public, so the game details are visible and even my favorite game. Now let's just make these things go away, so let's just head back to our Steam profile and let's click on edit profile. So when we click on edit profile, let's navigate to privacy settings and then let's go to game details, and under game details let's tick private. Now this should make the games private. So I'm gonna go back to my web browser and let's see what actually changed. And if I refresh, as you can see all the games disappeared. However, you can still see the favorite game. Now that doesn't mean that you're obviously going to have this, but if you do have the favorite game on, the game details will not delete that particular game and the hours that you have on that game from your Steam profile. So how do we get this off your profile as well? It's actually very easy. Go back to your Steam profile and then go to featured showcase, which is just above the privacy settings, and somewhere here you should have favorite game turned on, and all you have to do is just click none selected or select any other category. So I'll just hit none selected. I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to go back to my web browser where I'm viewing my profile as a guest, going to refresh it, and as you can see all the games and their activities disappeared. You can also see that you cannot access my games on the right side where there should be a panel for games. So all in all, it's gone, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.